Okay, babies, as you can see, I have been waiting to do my nails for a while. It's been a minute since I've done my nails, and the reason why is because life has been lifing for me. I was supposed to do my nails like in December. I've been having this monomer since December and did not do my nails, okay? I was gonna do it for December, Christmas, and another event that took place. December came and went. Let's do my birthday nails. January came and went. Let's do something for Valentine's Day and Mardi Gras like we normally do. That came and went. Let's do something for St. Patty's Day. That came and went. I was not gonna let Easter pass me by. So we about to get our nails done. And this is the monorail we're using. Of course, I'm gonna show y'all the setup I have. I don't have a mount strong enough in order to clip onto a table, so I need a table mount for my camera in order for y'all to see how I do my nails. And of course, if you've been with me for a while, y'all do know I do my own nails. So let's get started with that. And as you can see, it is a rough day, girl. We don't care. I don't care today, all right? Because I'm doing nails and it's gonna take a minute for the process to get done. So let's get into it. So this is the final product, and let's see how we achieve this look. I wanted something a little neon, a little springy, and these are all the supplies that I have. Hopefully I'll have them all in the description box below. And this is how they look a little bit more organized. We're going to take that color in beige and do an application for these long extensions. I missed my curved nails and I could not help myself. Oh God, they look so raggedy, so. Of course we gonna shape them up, but Lord, they look horrible. This look like as if I'm making French fries by hand. Oh God, they look so bad. Oh, and I think it's because of the temperature going, or like I'm right underneath the air conditioner vent because I'm trying not to have all that monomer smell in my nose. Child, this is horrible. Oh, I probably need another brush. Look at how bad that look. Like that application just looked choppy like a mug. Ooh, my God, today. But of course we shaped them up and cleaned it up. And I'm following that with a little bit of a French set. I went in with white, and then I went in with some loose pigments to get the color. And of course I had to get ready for this day. I was so excited about that, so my nails had to be done for that.
I love your nails. I didn't know you were doing nails.
So yeah, basically it was just a regular application. I did a French tip, and to get the color payout for the designs themselves, I use different color acrylics for the actual nail polish themselves to match the nail polish to make it of a stamp or a raised look for each nail. And I just decided to go with like tiger and cheetah print on each nail just to give me a clean look or something of a different look. I haven't done nails like that on myself in a while. And again, I just wanted something crazy and cute. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you babies later.